So Blemish Repair Complex, we've seen remarkable results with on hormonal acne,
Yep.
teenage acne. Talk to me about the formulation.
Well, in many ways, acne is a nutritional deficiency issue. People don't realize that there are specific nutrients that the skin needs in order to stay healthy. And when we're kids, we don't eat as well as we should. Junk food has a tendency to deplete the body of certain nutrients. So I wanted to provide my teenage clients as well as my adult clients with a supplement that would help with acne blemishes and approach the treatment from multiple angles. So we use nutrients that are important for skin health, specifically the B vitamins, but we also use nutrients that are important for liver health. And it turns out that working with the liver is one of the most important strategies for helping deal with acne. And there's also blood sugar stabilizing nutrients. We used to call acne skin diabetes in pharmacy school. And in fact, some of the early pharmacy treatments for dealing with acne were anti-diabetic medicines. I bet you didn't know that.
Oh.
And so Blemish Repair Complex helps with blood sugar, it helps with liver, it helps directly approach healing of acne blemishes. Most people notice results within a week or two. In fact, when we were out of our Truth Blemish Repair Complex for a couple months, oh my God, we got all kinds of letters from people who were freaked out. But we're not going to be out of it again. Truth Blemish Repair Complex is great for hangovers too because of its liver benefits.